Hi. Do you find importing Google satellite images to your QGIS project is difficult? This tutorial shows you how to import WMS layers such as Google satellite images, Google Maps, OpenStreetMaps, and many more into your QGIS project. There are many methods to do this. In this tutorial, we use QuickMapServices plugin because it is very simple and time-saving. We appreciate open source GIS community for developing these awesome applications and making them available for public free of charge. Let's begin. Create a new project in QGIS. In this tutorial, we use QGIS 3.12. Go to Plugins menu and select Manage and install plugins. Click on All tab in left top corner and search for QuickMapServices with no spaces. You'll find the plugin in the search results. Now, install the plugin. To access newly added features, go to Web menu and select QuickMapServices. You can see few resources are available, but the layers we are looking for are not in the list. To enable them, select Settings. In QuickMapServices settings, select More Services tab. Now, click on Get Contributed Pack button. Done. Now you can access the entire collection of resources. We can find here Bing Maps, Bing Satellite, Google Roads. This is also called Google Maps. Google Satellite. You can see, there are so many resources available. Here we have OpenStreetMaps. Last but not least, Esri Satellite. This is it. We hope this will be useful in your work. We upload short video tutorials time to time. If you are interested in following us, please subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching.